Hey, I'm Gary Schuster. This is Innovation Cafe, and I want to talk with you briefly about an amazing invention they came up with. Well, I think it's amazing, but all inventors think all their inventions are amazing. What happened is one night I was just lying in bed and I was thinking, why is it that even vaporizers cause people to inhale harmful things? Isn't there a better delivery mechanism? And I started to think, well, the reason a lot of harmful stuff happens is because of oxygen. Without oxygen, you can't have oxidation, you can't have fires. And next thing you knew, I was at Home Depot buying piping, getting compressed gas, and pumping compressed gas through a pipe over biological material and causing it to boil off. Next step was resistance heating, etc. And now we have a product that's been through industrial design. That's how these things start. You're just sitting there, your mind is dissociating. Notice I was almost asleep when I came up with it, and boom, the idea just lands. Make sure you're positioned to write it down and take advantage of it.